Hello and welcome to the final of the Olympic men's paperboat sailing. As you can see over here, we have our contestants. On the left, the challenger of this gripping final, hailing from the United States, Oliver Luza. On the right is reigning champ representing Russia, Vladislav Don't Hurt Me. Vladislav is the current world record holder for his boat clocking in at 2 years, 7 months, 21 days, 7 hours, 12 minutes, and 33 seconds. As you can see, both contestants are getting their boats ready to set sail. They are stretching and warming up. The starting line will be here in Sand Beach, Maine, and the finish line will be in Grand Bay, Alabama. It seems like the contestants have been called up to the starting line. And they're off! Well, it seems like the weather is hindering the pace of the race. The current seems to be slowing down Vladislav's boat.
Well, that was a little bit of fun, wasn't it? We'll return once anything interesting happens. In the meantime, here's something that we hope you'll really enjoy. Well, it seems like we have some developments. Let's head down to the beaches and see what's happening.
Welcome to Fernandina Beach in Florida. It appears that Vladislav's boat had a collision with a baby seal. In the attempt to ward off the baby seal, Oliver Luza steered past Vladislav and took the lead. We'll keep you posted on what happens within the next 15 months. It's neck and neck between Oliver and Vladislav. It could come down to a photo finish. Wait, but what is this? It seems that the official from the broadcasting committee has come out to the water. It looks like he's trying to...
Unfortunately, we no longer have the funds to keep broadcasting the Paper Sailboat Olympics, but in the meantime, here is something that we can afford.